ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यम् वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्।
Shivananji, please can you chant Maheshwara Sutrani?
I own, rule, look, they own, I out, Hayavarat, learn, Namagananam, Jabai, Gadadash, Jabagadadash, Kapha Charthar, Chatatau, Kapai, Shasar, Shashatar, Hal, Iti Etani Maheshwara Sutrani.
Next, Kavya, can you chant?
ಸರಿ ಮಾ.
Uchcharana Sthanani. Okay, from tomorrow you can chant. Shirisha ji,
ಓಕೆ.
yeah, please chant Uchcharana Sthanani.
आकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशाणां तालु ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा ऋतुरसानां दन्ताः पूपुपद्मानीयानामोष्ठौ न्यमगणनानां नासिका च एदौतो कण्ठतालु ओदौतो कण्ठोष्ठं वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठं जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलं नासिकानुनास स्वरस्य
Okay, Edaitoho, not Edo, Edaitoho Kanthatalu, Odautoho Kanthoshtam. Okay, who wants to decline Rama Shabda? Prathama and Dvitiya.
रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ रामान्.
Next, Ishwaraha.
ईश्वरः ईश्वरौ ईश्वराः ईश्वरम् ईश्वरौ ईश्वरान्.
Next, Gramaha.
ग्रामः ग्रामौ ग्रामाः ग्रामं ग्रामौ ग्रामान्.
Drupaha.
नृपः नृपौ नृपः नृपौ नृपाः रूपां रूपौ रूपान्.
Drupa. Drupam. Dvitiya, Ekavachanam, Drupam. Like Ramam. Drupam.
नृपं रूपौ रूपान्.
Balaka.
बालकाः बालकौ बालका बालकं बालकौ बालकान्.
Balakaha, Balako, Balakaha. प्रथम ह्रस्व एंड विसर्ग एकवचनम, बहुवचनम दीर्घ एंड विसर्ग, बालकाः, बालकः, बालको, बालकाः। ओके, नेक्स्ट मनुष्यः,
मनुष्याः, मनुष्यौ, मनुष्याः, मनुष्यं, मनुष्यौ, मनुष्यान्।
मनुष्यः, फर्स्ट वन इज मनुष्यः, प्रथम एकवचनं मनुष्यः, मनुष्यौ द्विवचनं, मनुष्याः बहुवचनं, मनुष्यं, मनुष्यौ, मनुष्यान्। नेक्स्ट विद्यालयः, विद्यालय, एनीबडी इज देयर रिमेनिंग?
विद्यालयः, विद्यालयौ,
anyone
विद्यालयाः,
can.
विद्यालयं, विद्यालयौ, विद्यालया।
नेक्स्ट भू धातु, शिरीषा जी, भू धातु।
भवति, भवतः, भवन्ति।
शिवानंद जी, पठ धातु।
पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति। मम विद्यालय, विद्यालय, ऐ एम् जस्ट दिस् वन, द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन, हाउ इट विल कम?
विद्यालयः, विद्यालयौ, विद्यालयाः, विद्यालयं, विद्यालयौ, विद्यालयान्, लाइक रामान्।
विद्यालय, ओके,
विद्यालयान्।
धन्यवाद।
नेक्स्ट लिख, काव्या।
अम्मा
लिख,
भू धातु मा
भू धातु लगाने लिख धातु।
लिखतः, लिखन्ति, लिखति,
हाँ।
लिखतः, लिखन्ति।
यस। हाँ, नेक्स्ट हस् धातु। एनीवन नाउ, 3 धातुस आर देयर, 3 people can say.
हसति, हसतः, हसन्ति।
गम,
गच्छति, गच्छतः, गच्छन्ति।
आगम,
आगच्छति, आगच्छतः, आगच्छन्ति।
अत्र, so meanings.
Here,
हाँ, अत्र, here, हिह, इह means what?
here,
wherever अम्मु
हाँ, तत्र,
Where,
तत्र where, कुत्र, तत्र there, कुत्र,
where,
क्व,
where,
तद शब्द, how to decline? तद प्रातिपदिका,
सः तौ ते।
how to decline? सः तौ ते, it is there already. Okay. भवत् शब्द, भवत् शब्द पुल्लिंग, how to decline? प्रथमा एकवचनम,
भवान्
भवान्
भवन्तु भवन्तः
भवान्
भवान्
भवन्तौ
हम्म
भवन्तः
स्त्रीलिंग how to decline
भवती भवत्यौ भवत्यः
so we saw this much yesterday. Now we are moving forward. If we want to write a sentence, karta and kriya pada, in both of them two things should be similar. What are the two things?
It's
Karta
vachana
and
and
kriya
linga.
pada.
Vachana Purusha are same.
But
Yes, vachana and linga both should be same. Purusha or linga. Both are.
the voice is getting
Voice is
broken.
not clear.
Same. Yeah, not linga, vachana and purusha. Linga is that vachana and purusha will say. Okay, Strilinga. For all lingas, lakaras are same. For example, bhudhatu is there. If we want to use for strilinga, pullinga first, we will take first pullinga. Saha bhavati. If we want to take strilinga, sa bhavati. If we want to take napumsakalinga, eshaha bhavati. Any linga, same purushas we will take.
So Purnaji, your screen is blank and we lost you in between.
Oh. Okay, I will explain the third niyama again. When we are declining dhatus, bhavati, vataha, bhandi. For strilinga, pullinga, napumsakalinga, all lingas, in dhatu rupa, there won't be any change. Saha bhavati, sa bhavati, eshaha bhavati. So sa and eshaha also we can use for bhavati. Saha also we can use for bhavati. So there is no linga bheda when we are declining dhatus. Is this point clear? Can you hear me?
clear, ma'am. But your voice is not clear.
Hari Om.
Yeah, Purnaji, we heard you.
Yes.
Hari Om. Okay. Voice is clear, I'll still disturbance is there.
Clear, Amma.
Okay, third point I'll explain again.
It's clear.
When third point is clear. Okay, then I'll go to fourth point. In Prathama Vibhakti, yesterday we saw Karta will come or Karma will come in Prathama Vibhakti. Means Prathama Vibhakti means Karta or Karma.
Karta. Karta.
Karta.
Karta.
हाँ. Dvitiya Vibhakti,
Karma.
Karma. Okay, that is the fourth niyama. After the supratyaya or think pratyaya, we should not use the pada shabda. Apadam. Padam means that which has sup and think pratyaya. That which has included sup or think pratyaya is called padam. Apadam means that which is not pada is apadam. Na padam iti apadam. So what is sup, what is thing? I will show you. This Rama is the shabda. For Rama, we are using a, au, aha, au, on, and for bhu dhatu, ati, ataha, anti. At the end, we are adding these pratyas. These are also called pratyas. These a, au, aha, au, an, these are also pratyas. They are not original pratyas. After some modification, these forms came, but original supratyas are different, think pratyas are different. We will see later all those things. But without adding these, just Rama Shabda, we should not use in Shastra. Means wherever we should not use. Or Bhu is there. Bhu Dhatu directly we should not use. Apadam na prayunjita means we should not use the apada. That which is not pada, we cannot use. Yeah, this is up to this we can keep. Now there are some exercises. Udaharana vakyas are given. Okay, we will just use the Sanskrit and we can translate into English. Saha pathati. Saha means he. Pathati means studying. He is studying. Tau patataha. They both are studying. Like that, I'll ask each individual. You can answer. Te pathanti. Shivananji.
So te patanti. They are reading.
They all are reading. So here we will use these specific words so that not getting confused. Tau is there, we use they both are studying. If they is there, then they all are reading. Either way is correct. Okay. Bhavan atra
बहुवचन.
bahuvachan. Yes. Bhavan atra agachati. Shirisha ji.
Has
Kavya?
come here or something?
Yes, yes. Please, Shirisha ji.
He has come here or something?
Bhavan means you. You come here.
Okay.
Bhavantau hasataha. Kavya?
Amma,
Bhavantau hasataha. You can say in Telugu.
వాళ్ళిద్దరూ నవ్వుతున్నారు అని.
Yes. Bhavantaha gachanti.
వాళ్ళందరూ నవ్వుతున్నారు అని.
Okay, next. Bhavati likhati. Anusha.
వాళ్ళందరూ వెళ్తున్నారు.
Huh?
వాళ్ళందరూ వెళ్తున్నారు.
Bhavati likhati.
తను వెళ్తున్నాడు.
Are you able to hear me? Bhavati likhati. Okay, Vijaya ji. You can tell me.
వీళ్ళు రాస్తున్నారు.
Jaya.
వీరు రాస్తున్నారు. ఆమె రాస్తూ ఉంది అమ్మ.
No. Anybody? Bhavati likhati.
నీవు
అమ్మ రాస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. రాస్తూ ఉన్నాడు.
మీరు రాస్తున్నారు.
వాళ్ళు రాస్తున్నారు.
మీరునా వీళ్ళునా? నాకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదు ఆ పదం.
మీరు రాస్తున్నారు.
వీళ్ళు రాస్తున్నారు.
ఓకే, శివానంద్ జీ. భవతి లిఖతి.
Mama, there itself given, no? आप लिखती है.
In English. You can say in English. Yeah, they have given, but we all don't know Hindi.
Okay.
We are
आप
blind.
means आप लिखती है.
No, we have to try from Sanskrit to English. We should not look at Hindi.
Okay.
Bhavati means
आप
what?
means Bhavati means you all.
Bhavati.
You, Bhavati means for Strilinga. Bhavati.
हाँ हाँ you. Likhati.
You are writing.
నీవు
Yes, you
You
are
have written
writing.
right.
No, you are
Okay.
writing. Likhati. All these are Vartamana Kala. Present tense. So likhati. Writing. You are writing.
Just confusion here. Can I ask doubt or later?
Yes.
Later can I
Yes.
ask?
Yes.
That Bhavati, Bhavan,
You can ask.
Bhavati, Bhavata, the Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavanti, Bhavan. What is the difference in that?
This is the Pullinga for Bhavat Shabda. Bhavat means you.
Okay.
Bhavan
Bhavati,
means Ekavachanam Bhavan, you. Bhavantau, you both. Bhavantaha, you all. This is for Pullinga. Then Bhavati. Bhavati means you for Strilinga. Bhavati, Bhavatyau. Bhavatyau, you both. Bhavatyah, you all.
okay. Then when to use Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavanti?
Bhavati, Bhavata. Oh, that is Dhatu. You are asking about Dhatu. This is not Dhatu. This is Bhavat
Then this is good.
Shabda. Ha. This is Bhavat Shabda. Noun. That is Bhu Dhatu. Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavanti. That is Dhatu. Verb. When we can use that, Saha Bhavati. He is. Tau Bhavataha. They both are. Te Bhavanti. They all are. Like that.
That is Dhatu.
This is a noun.
Okay. Okay. Like pronoun or noun. Okay. Okay.
Pronoun or
Clear.
noun. Okay. Next, Balakah Bhavati. Here it is there. Your question is there. Balakah Bhavati. Now you can answer.
Balakah Bhavati. Boy came.
Is.
No, not
Bhavati
boy.
is.
Boy is. Boy is there.
Boy is there. Like that. Okay. Now we don't have answers in Sanskrit. Now we have to try Sanskrit answers. Okay. Waha likhta hai, Shirisha ji. Shirisha ji, you know Hindi, right?
Yes, Purna ji.
Okay. Waha likhta hai. Sanskrit?
Tau likhatah.
Okay. Vaha is ekavachanam or dvivachanam?
Dvivachanam? Vaha is ekvachan only. So
Vaha is
saha va dono, if va dono is dvivachanam, if it is dvivachanam, it is tau, right? Tau
Yes.
tau likhatah.
If it is dvivachanam, then tau likhatah. But here it is ekavachanam.
तस्-
What will come?
सः सः लिखतः
Likhatah. Okay. Saha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, right?
uh,
Likhatah. Likhatah is which Vachanam?
एकवचनम् only, right?
Okay. Likh dhatu. Can you decline?
लिखति लिखतः लिखन्ति. Okay, yes, it
What is the
द्विवचन.
Ekavachanam? What is Ekavachanam?
लिखति.
Likhati. So, what is the final sentence?
सः लिखति.
Saha likhati. Yes. So, whatever is the karta here is saha, he is the karta. So, whatever is the karta's vachana and purusha, same should be there for kriya pada. Lik is the kriya pada. Whatever is the karta's vachana, karta is in ekavachana, saha is in ekavachana. So, dhatu also should be in ekavachana, likhati. And karta is prathama purusha. Saha is prathama purusha, means third person. So likhati is also prathama purusha. That table I will make in our old document. I'll continue that so that you will be able to identify easily. Next. Next, who will tell? Okay, Shivananji, can you try? Last one, then we will go to Tika.
सः ग्रामं गच्छति.
सः ग्रामं गच्छति. Okay. Kavya, third one.
అమ్మ ఏదమ్మా థర్డ్ వన్ అమ్మా
Third one.
వహ ఆత అదేనమ్మా
అతను వస్తున్నాడు. How to say in Sanskrit?
సహ సహ ఆగచ్చతి.
సహ ఆగచ్చతి. Very good. Okay. Next, whatever examples are there, we will do tomorrow practice. Did we do first line? I don't think. I think we finished the second shloka. We have come up here. This Samyak Jnana. Okay. Shirishaji, please can you read the second line?
सम्यग् ज्ञानमखण्डानन्द सम्बोधः प्रत्यकै
Pratyak Chaitanya.
प्रत्यक्चैतन्या भिन्नो यस्य वन्दनात् प्रश्चये वनात्. प्रश्रय सेवनात्
प्रश्रय प्रश्रय
प्रश्रय सेवनात्
Okay,
तद्विद्धि
after that, what
तद्विद्धि
are the sandhis are there? No.
सम्यक्
What
ज्ञान
are the sandhis?
सम्यक् ज्ञान सम्यक् सम्यक् प्लस ज्ञान सम्यक् ज्ञान जलां जशन्ते
Yes.
अखंडानंद
Shivanand,
संबोध
Shivanand have explained Jalam Jashwante, right? We have seen.
Yes, Amma.
Okay.
Yes, Amma.
Next. Okay. Thank you. Shirisha ji, continue.
अखंडानंद अखंड is वापदान्तस्य
Why? Where is the Vapadantasya?
is it अनुस्वार यही परसवर्ण the no basically
Yes. Anuswarasya yayi parasavarnaha. Okay, good. Next.
अखंडानंद अखंड प्लस आनंद अखंडानंद सवर्ण दीर्घ
Sutra.
it is akasavarna dirgha so you want me to say the sutra of it
No, that is enough. Akaha savarne dirghaha. Next.
संबोधः संबोधः is it Ashicha no not Ashicha sorry
Sambodha. Anuswara became Makara. By which sutra? Sambodha. In that, Anuswara became Makara. Monuswara, Makara becomes Anuswara. Here, Anuswara became Makara.
नश्च पदान्तस्य जलि
What is the vritti?
Anuswarasya yayi savarna. Parasavarna.
Anuswarasya yayi parasavarnaha. Yes. Same sutra. Akhanda. What is we applied for Akhanda? Same sutra applies here. Okay. Shivananji, can you do Pratyak Chaitanya Bhinno? That word?
like that pratyag
Hmm.
pratyag chaitanya. Is it
Hmm.
correct, Amma? So again, jalam jashanto, correct?
Yes.
Then chaitanya. Chaitanya is one
Yes.
word. Abhinna.
Yes.
Abhinna. Chaitanya plus abhinna.
In
Akasavarna
Jalam
dirgha sandhi.
Jaswante,
That is Karichi.
no.
Karicha, that is Karicha, right? Hmm.
Which one, Amma?
The prat
Yes, yes.
Correct.
Jalam Jashonte.
Pratyag.
Ga, if it is ga, then it is Jalam Jashonte. Means we have to remember Jash means Jabagadada. In that Jabagadada, ga is there. If it is ga, then Jalam Jashonte. But it is ka. Ka means we can use the sutra Kharicha.
Okay.
I haven't explained
Pratyag.
this Kharicha Sutra.
Yes.
Okay. The
Pratyag
other one
chaitanya. Then abhinna. Chaitanya plus abhinno akasavarna dirgha sandhi. Abhinno. That is खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयस्य सः विसर्जनीयः.
Abhinnaha when say Kharvasanayor Visarjaniyaha. If it is there as it is Abhinno Yasya, then which sutra?
Just I will tell 1 minute. That is
Okay, anybody?
Hashita.
Hashija. Yes, Hashija. Okay, we'll stop.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ